Ugh. Does your guitar sound like this? Welcome to Melody Bar. I'm Luke, and I'm going to show you how to tune your guitar. When you first start learning the guitar, you want to learn how to play chords, you want to play your favourite rock riffs, you want to play your favourite songs. You can't do anything unless the guitar is in tune. I'm now going to show you how to tune the guitar so you can be confident knowing that you are in the right place to start. Let's have a look at some different types of guitar tuner. The most common way to tune it is by using an electronic tuner. You can download certain apps on your phone. There is one called Guitar Tuner, like a tuna fish. I often use one on my phone called Polytune, but there are many different types of on the phone tuners. Some guitars have a built-in tuner, like this one right here. Can you see? The tuner feels the vibrations through the guitar wood and it knows what pitch the string has to go to. You also have foot pedal tuners. You plug them in using a jack cable. You can use these on an electric guitar pedal board. Today I'm going to show you how to tune using a clip-on tuner. This one is made by a brand called Dario. You can also get a Polytune version like the app I mentioned earlier. There's a company called Snark that makes them. They're like a circle on a little stick. I have found that these break quite often, so I would avoid them personally. And then there are many cheaper brands you can get, which I would also tend to steer away from. I am very happy with this one. It works very well, and it has a USB-C charging adapter. Let's take a moment to explain how these electronic tuners work. You switch them on. The on button will be different depending on which brand you have. I'm playing the low E string here. When you play it, as you see right there, there are blue lines on either side of the E and arrows pointing at it showing you it is in tune. You do need to know the names of the strings when tuning, but we will get to that later in the video. If I tune lower, you see the line goes lower and it goes into the note below. So now I've tuned this to a D sharp, which is the note below what we want. If I go higher, it creeps up back to E. If I went too high, you can see the red line appears until it goes into F, which was the next note. I'm going to bring it back down to E. This works the same on all tuners, but it might look slightly different. So just make sure you know what you're supposed to be tuning the strings to. And if you go too high, careful that you're not going higher and higher and higher and trying to get to the next E, because you will end up snapping a string. So, above the note, below the note, above the note, below the note. Now let's tune the guitar. The strings are named E, A, D, G, B, E. I will go more in depth on the string names in another video, but for now you just need to know that because that's what you're tuning these strings to. These are the tuning pegs. The tuning pegs on the top, you turn anti-clockwise to go higher and clockwise to go lower. There you have E. Alternatively, the tuning pegs on the bottom, clockwise goes higher, anti-clockwise goes lower. A common problem I see when people tune is they keep hitting the string. As you see, it does work. However, just one hit, maybe a second if the note fades away. And there you have A. Most commonly when you're tuning, the string is lower than the pitch you need, but sometimes you encounter the pitch being higher. I find if the pitch is higher, you're better off loosening the string below the desired note first and then tuning back up, like so. As you see, I still only hit the string once. However, I may hit it on both sides just to get reference. And there you have D. This is the G. One hit. See, that one started to fade away again, so I probably would give it another hit. And there you have G. This is the B string. I've gone a little bit too high there. Just going to tweak it down. Sometimes you might struggle to get it exact, but just keep tweaking as you get there. I always find once I hit the note, I just want to give it one final check. And there you have B. Finally, this high string is also called the E string. You've got a low E and a high E. Oh, I seem to have tuned that one earlier. I'll tune it higher so you can see me tune it down and back up again. So as you can see now, it's tweaking into the next note. One final check. E, A, D, G, B, E. And that's how you tune the guitar. Tuning can take a long time at first. When I first started out, I went past the point of the note but kept tuning higher and eventually just snapped a string. Snapped a lot of strings in weird and wonderful ways back at the beginning. If you have any questions about tuning or any other guitar related matters, please feel free to comment and I will definitely get back to you. There'll be many more videos to come, including the next one about starting with the guitar. It's important to tune every time you start playing. Don't just presume your guitar's in tune, always have a check. Now you're in tune, you can get ready to start playing the guitar. If you've enjoyed this video and want to go on the Melody Bar journey with me, please like and subscribe. It would mean so much. Melody Bar, music for everyone.